Would you like to do spins or rollovers?
Or maybe both.
Or both.
What are you feeling today?
Shall we do some spins and a rollover? Can we do a spin? Some spins? One. Can we do one more?
Two.
He said.
Keats.
You said one spin. A spin.
Mm-hmm.
Can we roll over? Yay!
Good job, Pickle.
Nice job.
No, I don't want to talk about it. He just wants to eat his stash.
Because he knows I have another one here. What will you do for you? Can we go? Pick, pick, pick! Boom! Yeah! Can we do one more? Pick, pick, pick! Boom!
Good job, baby.
And can we shake? Oh, such a good job.
The full repertoire. Goodness.